If you can guess which one is satin and which one is silk, please leave a comment down below. Satin is a fabric that is usually made by humans using weaving techniques. It is also usually made from a combination of synthetic fibers such as threads from nylon, rayon, polyester, cotton, and sometimes even silk. Silk is a natural fabric produced from the silk protein filament, which comes from the silkworm when forming its cocoon. So to sum it up, satin is man-made from woven material and silk is naturally made from silkworms. Because 100% silk is made of all natural material, it is hypoallergenic and more gentle on the skin. And because satin can be made of synthetic fibers and who knows what sometimes, it may not be so gentle on the skin. An added benefit about silk is that it also acts as an insulator, meaning it has the ability to draw heat away from you when it is hot, and it can keep you warm when temperatures are cold. In terms of hair, both fabrics are made with soft and smooth material, which means they both reduce frizz and prevent dryness in hair. If you wash either fabric in the washing machine for the first time, they both may shrink on you, but satin has the tendency to shrink more because of the extra woven threads. And because 100% silk does not have those extra woven threads, it is proven to be more durable than satin. In terms of appearance, satin has a more glossy look and then silk has a more shimmering look. So if you guys chose the black one as satin in the beginning of the video, then congratulations, you're correct. And if you chose the gold one as the silk one in the beginning of the video, then you're correct as well. And don't worry guys, towards the end, I will have something to reward one of you lucky guys with, so stay tuned. Another comparison between satin and silk is that they both have slippery texture, so it is kind of hard to use them when you're sewing. And another thing about both of their textures is not only are they slippery, they're also smooth and soft to the touch. Did you know it takes about 2,500 silkworms to spin a pound of raw silk, which is barely over 1 yard of fabric? And this is why silk is much more expensive than satin, because of the production time and the limited resources it takes to make it. Satin is much more affordable because it is more versatile to make. Also, in terms of versatility on how both fabrics are used, both satin and silk are used to make bridal and sleepwear items such as dresses, sleep robes, bed sheets, and dresses. When it comes down to which fabric you should choose, it depends on your reasons for using it and the tolerance of your body and your skin. Both fabrics share a lot of the same similarities, which is why a hair company by the name of rachelsilk offers both. The main reason I would choose silk over satin is because of the natural aspect and because I have sensitive skin. By the way, please be on the lookout for companies who advertise their products as satin silky or just silky. Make sure somewhere on their website it says the product is 100% silk. Aside from rachelsilk, another company that offers 100% silk products, including silk bonnets, is rachelsilk. Rachelsilk offers a variety of silk products such as bedding, sleepwear, lingerie, and hair accessories such as bonnets, scrunchies, and headbands. Here is one of my favorite bonnet styles from their website. I know on my channel I teach you all how to create your own bonnets, but if you'd like to save some time and may not have access to a sewing machine right now, but you would like to still get the luxury feel of 100% silk bonnet, lucky for you, I have partnered with rachelsilk and doing a giveaway in this video. So before I give you guys the giveaway instructions, I want to just take the time out to do a brief overview of everything we learned in today's video. As you see on the screen, these are the prime differences between satin and silk, and as I mentioned before, when it comes down to which fabric you should choose, it depends on your reasons for using it and the tolerance of your body and your skin. I would like to personally thank rachelsilk for partnering with me on this video. Thank you guys so much. Without further ado, for my subscribers, let me let you guys know the giveaway instructions. So the very first step is to give this video a thumbs up. The second step is to comment satin versus silk in the comment section of this video. And lastly, I need you guys' email, so please click the link in the description box. It's going to take you to a Google form. It's basically going to ask you if you completed the first 2 steps, and at the very top it's going to ask you to enter your email. And please guys, enter the correct email. This is how I will contact you guys if you are the winner. Your email will not be used for anything else. And as always, don't forget to educate, encourage, and empower, and share this video, especially if you know it can help someone else. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. I'm sure